welcome to Our Life in the Philippines. Today we're going to go for a little trip. It's about 29, 30 kilometers to go. And we're going to go up to Mount Arayat National Park. Just take a look around and see what's going on there. Both me and my wife have never been up here before, so I think it's here. I think this is the way we go. These are roads we've never been on before, so we're coming in. Start from there. We'll go up MacArthur to Camachoes. As you pass St. Raphael Hospital, make a right in there to Camachoes and come straight out. It's an interesting little narrow road. So front of us is Mount Arayat, and that's where we're heading. And I would say it's probably about 20 kilometers out from here. We're going to go around the bottom to the national park, which is kind of located on the south side of the mountain. And that's where we're going to stay today. We'll probably go there some other time. They have several different hiking trails that we might explore at some point. I think I need to get around these guys. didn't know there was so much inhabitable homes going up this way. I'm actually hoping we're on the right way here. Hi, man.
Hello.
So yeah, looking over there, that's Mount Arayat. So I think we're going to go south for a little bit. We're going to go south and go around the mountain on the back to get to the national park. So we'll try to do that now. All right.
Uy, snap ano?
Tonight we're coming up towards Arayat National Park, and that was our destination for today. This evening. here. Huh? Yeah, I know. I know we're gonna turn around. I'm sure you can. I don't know if you, where are you parking?
Pwede po bang pumasok yung motor papunta doon sa loob? Yeah, sige, salamat. We can also do
Right. I guess you can park in here, right? Go and find out for me.
Ito na po sa 75 per head. 75 per head.
75 pesos.
75 pesos. Do I have some small change? Or do you have?
I have 500.
You got 500? Oh, well then you might as well take it though.
Basta mo, 1 hour.